Right. Yeah, remember that. Right, no, I'm talking about well, like everyone else, like LAC and all that. You gotta just put it in there. You just got, yeah, I was going to say, you just gotta put it in there and then tell Christ you're gonna keep this. That's how it responds to me. And it takes so long.
You won. You're the winner. You got it. You won the bone. Chased them off.
That's what we are.
Say,
hey,
yes, yes, yes. Come here.
Look, you need
come here. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Oh. Flag on the play.